Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this week I'm doing something a little bit different only because I'm behind on everything, and everything I've touched is kind of a mess. So I'm working on a six-wheel custom here that I've been kind of working on. I've got this hearse that I've been working on, and then I entered the UK Car of the Month Club contest thing just because I thought it was kind of cool. The challenge is a mono wheel, so I have this RC Mud Boss tire for a drag slash, or for a slash. So I'm kind of been working on this. That's why my table is kind of a mess. So kind of working on that. I got to incorporate a bone shaker into it, which is going to go out front. So it's going to be kind of like this with big engine, and I don't know. I'm not really sure. I got all this stuff kicking around, and I just got to find time to work on it. It's kind of what been sucking up most of my time, so I can get it to a certain point. But the point of this video is I got a box in from Cole over at Cuda's Diecast Customs. I will put a link in the description below. So I haven't opened it. I just took the pertinent address info off to protect the guilty. So I'm going to open it up and see what we got. Hopefully there's no nude photos or anything like that, and if they are, they're not of him. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. 71 Dodge Demon. Actually, I like this one. It's already got the black stripes. Nice. I've done a lot. I've done a couple Demons over the last 3 years. I did 22 a day one that I just got rid of not too long ago. I donated that. But yeah, I need to do another. I like Dodge. I actually got a Challenger, so I've been kind of partial to Dodges lately. You know, I grew up Chevy, so sorry Ford guys. Let's see what we got here. See a GTO underneath the bubble wrap. At least that's what it looks like. Ugh. Good packing though. Nice packing job. What do we got here? Yep. Chevelles. Same body style. This is a 69. Believe it or not, I actually don't have this one. I got 8,000 Chevelles, but I actually don't have this one in this color. And this one's kind of close. What, a Racing Champions? Yeah, Racing Champions. I actually don't have this one. This is going to be, actually this would be a nice, yeah. This would be a good one to, look, it's got the motor in there and everything. A lot of the Racing Champions stuff from like the early 90s, 2000s was really great stuff. It might still be, I just haven't had any. It's got a plastic base, but it's got rubber tires. Goodyears. The body is pretty beat. The glass is pretty scratched. This is a perfect project. It's a 70 SS. You can tell the Chevelles for the 70s because they get the dual headlights molded in. So 70 had these. 71 and 72 had the single headlights with the bigger grille. Chevelles pretty much kept everything the same. 65 and 60, 64 and 65 were the same bodies. 66, 67, 68, 69. Then 70 was kind of unique because it's the only year that has this molded front bezel with the two headlights in it. So then it kept the rest of the body style, except for the rear bumper. That's also different, but 71 and 72 kind of shared it, but the nose was different. So those are cool. I'm sure you guys didn't tune in to listen to me blather on. Okay, so that is a first. Mad props. I do not have this. And this, I might actually be able to use this somehow on my Gaslands build that I'm doing. Because why not? I've stuck everything else on the damn thing. That's kind of cool. Or maybe even a future one. Although, I got some ideas for this. This would be kind of cool. '67 GT40s, Mark 4s, MK4s. I actually dig this. I like this as one of the earlier GT body styles. I really just dig. I like the paint scheme. I like the headlight covers. I love everything about this. But I actually would. I'd cut this up. I'd cut up anything, so I guess you can't really go by that. But I like that. That is awesome. And I don't have that. GTO. 06 Pontiac GTO. And it's got the faux wheelie bars in the back. These things are slick. I don't know if anybody's looked. Before I bought my my Scat Pack Challenger, I was looking at these, and they're all older, but look at the prices. They're freaking insane. They're cool cars to convert, so that would be a cool project. Let's see, more bubble wrap. My desk isn't a mess already. Another Chevelle. That is another 70. I can't open it. All right, I'm getting irritated. I don't have the patience. So anyways, there we go. Nice. This is really good. Hopefully this must have been one that he did. This came out really, really good. I like this. I like that color. It's funny, at my the 72 that I had started off its life Aztec gold. Then I painted it gunmetal silver, and then I hydroplaned into a wall and did all the body work again, and I ended up painting it 72 cranberry red, super sport cranberry red, and it's almost identical to this color, so that is wicked cool. I'm going to keep this in here, and it's going to go on my top shelf of customs for Chevelles. I've got my Chevelles all separated by, regular mainline stuff. And then I have customs that either I've done or people have sent me that they've done. And I've got another section just on there. So that's really cool. Let's see what else we got. I got a bag. Hope it's a burrito. What is it? Nope. Even better. That's custom fodder. Nice. Old Corvette Racing Champions. Minus the wheels. Got the bubble top, but imagine this thing with this top cut off. It's got the inline 6 in it. I like that. It's missing this, which is perfect. It's missing the grill. This would be a good custom. I get some ideas for this. It actually kind of looks cool with the paint job the way it is, all banged up. And patina up the spots that are kind of messed up, chip down to the die-cast. Patina that and then put a nice clear coat on this thing. It would look kind of cool. I'm kind of looking forward to taking this one apart. Interior is dirty, but it looks really cool. A lot of detail in there. And nice Hemi Cuda right here. Hot Wheels. It's got the shaker hood. Nice. I mean, you can't beat these things with just the body style. It never gets old. Auburn from Hot Wheels, right? Hot Wheels, yeah. Another classic. I like these. I like the Blackwell tire. I like this. It just really is missing a windshield. That's it. These are really cool. I like these. I want to say these had the 12 cylinder or 10. So I don't know. Somebody knows. Put it in the comments down below. This is cool. This has got a lot. I've seen some of these Art Deco style. It's really, everything's kind of smoothed and blended, and they take the running boards down, and it's all painted the same color, and it really looks cool. So that would be a cool project. I can make a windscreen. What else we got? I got a couple good for my collection. Couple stickers. If you don't have one, sucks to be you. These are pretty cool. I'm going to put it up here with my other stickers that I end up sticking on my workbench. Corvette. I love these body styles. I'm not a big Corvette fan, but I like the new body styles. I didn't think I would, but it's kind of growing on me like a wart. But they're really cool. They just have those racing lines that just make it look fast, whether it is or not. And I know they are. I watch a lot of videos of the Corvettes and the Scat Packs like mine, the wide bodies. And most of the time a Challenger can win in like an eighth mile, but anything after that, the Corvette just kills it. Same thing with Camaros, Mustangs. Challenges are all torque, but I like this. This will be kind of cool. And I kind of like the paint job. I don't know if I'd want to do that. I want to do some detail on the lights. The grill areas here in the front, that should be blacked out. It wraps around. But it's already got the spoilers and everything all the way, the ground effects all the way around. I'm really digging that. Huh. I don't have this. Nice. And then a tune, was it tuned? Yeah, a tuned Chevelle, 69 Chevelle. I like these. Again, part of my Chevelle collection. X-Racers. I've never customized one of these, believe it or not. So that's that. I want to thank Cole again at Cuda's Diecast Customs. Make sure you check out his channel. Again, I will have a link down below. And Cole, thank you very much for this awesome gift. Eventually, if I can clean off my desk, I can find time to actually work on some of these. And if I do, I will send it to you. But once again, thank you. Sorry for the semi-short video. I have no idea how long this took. This is why I always do voiceovers instead of like this, where I'm just talking live, or I'm pre-recorded. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. That's about it. I got a big weekend ahead, so I'm not going to get a regular build video out. Like I said, I'm into RC stuff as well, and there's a benefit at the local track for a veteran with cancer. So I'm going to go and kind of hang out there and spend some money on some raffles and stuff to give to the cause. And I might race a little bit too, depends. I got 3 or 4 different vehicles that I can race. So I'm into the rock crawling, and I also have the Dirt Oval Mud Boss 12T, and then I've got the 4-wheel drive buggy, and then I got a drag truck. So it's like anything else. It's like crack. You can't just have one. If it's worth doing, it's worth overdoing. So, but again, thank you guys very much. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.